how's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Punta Y Talon. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, me hit the straight into this. So now somos uno. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Punta Y Talon. So we're going to go in on a uno with a punta. Talon on 2. Punta on 3. Feet together on 4. Then we're going to go punta on 5. Talon on 6. Punta on 7. Feet together on 8. And then 1, 2, 3. Y 5, 6, 7. Alright, so somos uno. Here we go. Punta Y Talon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. It helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love with dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so this move is pretty self-explanatory, but I will say, keep it nice and tight. The further you go out with your feet on those punta and talons, the harder it's going to be for you to get back on time and switch to the next leg. So keep it nice and tight, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. It makes it so much easier. So let's do this in half time of music, and then we'll do it at full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, somos uno. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, punta y talón. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Double time. 1 y punta y talón. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Una más. Punta y talón. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude us for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.